సేవాగా చూడబోతున్నాం కేడీలో. సో ఎస్,
नमस्कार। नमस्कार। सबसे पहले मैं क्षमा मांगता हूँ, माफ़ी मांगता हूँ कि हमने आप सबका वेट करवाया। वी वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट एंड थैंक यू फॉर द पेशेंस एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस अमेजिंग टीज़र। मैं ज़्यादा आप लोगों को बोर नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन आई जस्ट वांट टू थैंक वेंकी सर and Supreet for being such wonderful producers. In लोगों ने they've got the passion to make good cinema. I want to thank Prem sir. I think Prem sir is I think he's my chota brother, like Dhruva. He's the most humble, the most passionate director. He's the sweetest man I've met, and I want to thank him. Reshma, the most beautiful and little darling. And I was so happy to work with her. ध्रुवा, मेरा छोटा भाई, ये तो कंधे पे लेके घूमता है। हाँ, वो तलवार नहीं बॉडी लेके घूमता है यार। अपन तो तलवार लेके घूमता है, समझा? But superb. Thank you ध्रुवा for all the love. Thank you brother. And शिल्पा जी, the most amazing वैसे ही हैं और हमेशा वैसे ही रहेंगे. And I'm so proud of her. To work with her, वैसे ही लगती हैं जैसे कौन सी पिक्चर थी आई रे जान. Thanks Shilpa, thank you so much, and thank you so much. Love you all. Namaskar. Thank you.
This is a question for you only. Audience there? Hi, sir. Welcome to Hyderabad, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And sir, I know you've been visiting to Hyderabad for your shoots, and you must be having some memories. I just wanted to know, whenever you come to Hyderabad, some clicks or some sparks comes when you're going for Hyderabad. Some old memories refresh yourself.
Yes, I mean I've been coming to Hyderabad since the 80s.
Hmm.
So I've worked with a lot of wonderful producers here. Rajendra Prasad ji and Anjan Nelu Saab, a lot of people from here, and I always have the most amazing memories of Hyderabad. And आपका हैदराबाद का खाना तो वाह is the best.
Okay. So how this journey is starting, this Telugu cinema, and now, पहले Bollywood का pressure था, अब हो गया है Tollywood, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, pan India we are going. So how you take your journey in Telugu cinema, Kannada cinema, how your journey is going?
It's really fantastic because यहाँ पे I see जो हॉलीवुड में अब जो बॉलीवुड में 90s में हुआ करता था, the passion, the drive, मतलब they wanted to make the best. That is what I love about working here in the south. I mean, क्योंकि that mass, that connection with the audience अभी तक गया नहीं है. And it's the most amazing part, the passion and what they do out here.
Okay. And any dialogue from the movie, we can have it, because we loved your last, that dialogue with the passion. You learned anything Telugu? I mean, dialogue or something, or a Hindi में भी चलेगा about this movie का. We love to hear
ये
that.
मतलब कि साहब ये सर है, कंप्लेंट लिखो, बॉडी ने मेरी अभी तक.
But you learn, wow. But you learn something in Telugu? Anything? Nothing?
You know what? I'm trying to learn because I'm doing one film with Prabhas also.
Oh!
So I'm doing a film called Raja Saab. आप लोगों ने promo देखा होगा.
Yes.
So I'm trying. मैं सीख रहा हूँ, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
So about Prabhas, just you said, people are eagerly to know about working with Prabhas or your interaction. How is going on?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Is he making you eat? Because every star talk about his food.
Yeah, he makes me eat a lot, Prabhas. And he's one of the most amazing, wonderful people and a great actor. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
And I love Chiranjeevi sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I love him. He's done Munna Bhai,
Yeah.
out here. And I share a beautiful relation with him. God bless him.
Oh, great, great.
Hello everyone, this is Taruna from NTV. So my question to Shilpa